Cucumbers originated in India, but for centuries they've been deeply integrated into the cuisine and culture of the Middle East. The epic Mesopotamian poem of Gilgamesh, dating from 2100 BC, mentions cucumbers. In the Old Testament book of Numbers, Israelites in Exodus from Egypt include cucumbers as a food they miss. Accompanied by olive oil and hummus, cucumbers have made a refreshing salad in the Middle East for eons. The Damascus cucumber, with its thin skin and mild, juicy flavor, was the standard and the favorite, but its size and productivity varied widely. In 1922, Jewish immigrants from Poland and Galicia founded the Beit Alpha kibbutz in the fertile Harod Valley of Lower Galilee, at the foot of Mount Gilboa. The area is rich in religious history, too. The kibbutz was built on an abandoned Arab town known as Khirbet Beit Ilfa, which itself had been built on an ancient Jewish settlement from the 6th century AD. Remnants of the ancient Beit Alpha synagogue are still visible there. Though their work has expanded to include heavy equipment manufacturing, limestone quarrying, and a bed and breakfast, the founders of Beit Alpha kibbutz focused first on dairy farming and agriculture. In 1931, plant breeder Hanke Lazarson set out to improve the beloved Damascus. Lazarson bred other crops such as onion, garlic, and eggplant, but her enduring gift to Middle Eastern cuisine is the Beit Alpha cucumber. For 5 years, she focused on making a more uniform, higher-yielding version of the Damascus cucumber while keeping its mild, sweet flavor and juicy texture. In 1946, the kibbutz gave stock seeds of the Beit Alpha strain to Hazara Seed Company for the first commercial-scale production of seeds. Lazarson's breeding work spawned an effort that continues today, with hundreds of both open-pollinated and hybrid varieties of the Beit Alpha type cuc. Immigrants from the Middle East took Beit Alpha seeds with them as they settled around the world, making it one of the most popular, if not the most popular, cucumber type worldwide. Outside the Middle East, Beit Alpha cucumbers can be found in greenhouses as far north as Ontario, Canada, and on the other side of the world, in the fields of Australia. Most modern hybrids for greenhouse production are parthenocarpic, meaning they're seedless and don't require pollination to set fruits. The open-pollinated strain Baker Creek offers is monoecious. The plants have both male and female flowers. Baker Creek is pleased to offer a cucumber that is closer to the original Beit Alpha of the 1940s. Enjoy this slice of botanical history in your garden. Thanks so much for watching Seed Stories. We love bringing you the backstory on these amazing varieties. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode.